What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're looking at a brand new Android box. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. And more unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. And today we're looking at the T95 TV box. Basically, this is an Android box. This also has Android 10.0. So that's pretty cool. It has 4 gigs of RAM, and then you have an option of 32 gigs of ROM or 64 gigs. This version we have is a 64 gig, an internal hard drive built into it. And today we're unboxing it. We're gonna do an initial review as well, the setup and how easy it is to use. If you wanna get one of these XGODY Android box, I'll link this down in the description below. Comment below if you like that sound, if you think that's very satisfying. Now let's look at the ports that they gave us on this XGODY TV box. This is where you plug in the power cord, the HDMI cable right there, LAN Ethernet cable, and also AV. On the two sides as well, there's USB ports, 2 of them, and micro SD slot. Here we could see the power cord that came with the box. The power cord is also good for 110 or 220 wherever you are in the world. Here we see the remote, and it's a very useful remote. Let's see if they gave us some batteries. Unfortunately, there's no batteries, but the batteries you need here is 2 AAAs. The remote is pretty typical Android box remote. It has the volume buttons up there, power button. There's also the keys and the OK button. There's also a number to change the channels. Here, it's pretty cool that they gave us an HDMI cord. It's surprising because this box is really cheap, but they still provided HDMI cord, so that's a great addition. The last thing that they provided in the box is the literature, which is the user manual. So in this Android TV, if you have no idea how to install it or hook it up to your TV, you'll be able to do that with this user manual. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hook it up to our TV. Here we go. Another great addition is the USB slot, so you'll be able to use a gamepad or maybe a remote with a keyboard and a different remote maybe you want to use. As long as it has the USB dongle on it, you'll be able to use it. So the first step on hooking it up is put in the HDMI cable to the slot, just like that. Make sure to hook up the HDMI to your TV as well. The next step is to put in the plug-in for the TV box that is provided in the box, just like that. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and plug in the TV box. So as you could see here, this is how it starts up. T95, pretty cool. Actually, I like how fast this Android box starts up. So the quad core really helps on the quickness on how fast it is to start up. As you could see here, it's already doing the animation, and this is uncut or I didn't edit this part. So basically this is how fast it is in real time. And that's it, that's all. It's already started up. So the first thing you want to do is obviously hook it up to the network. So we're going to do that right now. The remote of this is pretty good as well. It acts right away as soon as you click it. There's no lag or anything like that. So that's pretty cool. As easy as that, you're able to connect to the Wi-Fi. So it does help a lot if you buy yourself an extra keyboard remote for this, or maybe hook up your keyboard on this box. It does help a lot when you're typing in passwords. So let's look at more of the display settings here. As you can see here, the HDMI output mode goes up to whatever the highest resolution of your TV. So for example, if you have a 6K TV, this will go up to the 6K, or if you have a 4K, then it'll go up to that. As you could see, my monitor here can only go up to 1080p. That's why it only says 1080p. Here you can change the date and time as well. You can change the language. You can see the about as well. You can turn on the uh, developers options as well. You can do a lot of things. Basically, it's an Android but for your TV. So basically, if you have it on your Android phone, anything that you have on your Android phone, you'll be able to put it on this device. And I love that. So there's options where you can have the Play Store, all the apps in the Play Store is good to go. You can sign into your Google Play log in and you'll be able to do that. As long as it fits on your hard drive, your internal hard drive, you'll be able to install all the apps that you want. You can also extend more memory on this by putting in a micro SD card or an external hard drive to the USB. So that's pretty cool. Download all the music, videos, and movies, TV shows, anything you want on the external hard drive or the SD card, and you'll be able to play it on this TV box. As you can see right now, we're browsing around Google Play Store, and there's a lot of apps that you can install to your TV box. They also have games here, but with the games, you'll need to use a gamepad. So you can hook up your PS4 or a DualShock 4 to your TV box, and you'll be able to use that DualShock 4 or maybe an Xbox controller on this TV box. For those of you who have Apple TV and debating on getting an Android TV box instead of your Apple TV, this has AirPlay as well. So here we're gonna go ahead and set up, it's called Air Share. So basically this will have the Chromecast, the casting from an Android device, or you can use this to AirPlay as well. So you can use your Mac, your iOS device, such as an iPhone or iPad, or any Android box that you can cast. So that's pretty cool. You can basically get rid of your Apple TV. As you can see here, we have our iPhone, and we're gonna go ahead and AirPlay this picture to our Air screen, to our TV box. And let's see if it'll be able to AirPlay the picture. So you could use this on a video as well, or if you have an app on your Apple TV on your iPhone, and you'll be able to cast it there. As you could see, I can even scroll through my photos and it'll show on my TV. That's pretty cool. If you have an Android phone, such as Google Pixel or maybe a Samsung Galaxy Note, the newest phones, or even the older ones, as long as you can cast, you'll be able to cast your screen to this TV box. There's so many apps that is very useful here. So you have the Netflix, there's also Prime Video, you can also have Crave on here, maybe even Hulu. Any apps basically that is connected and is available in Google Play Store, you'll be able to install it on here. This TV box as well, you'll be able to wirelessly update it. So if you have some sort of time where you could just update this once in a while, check if there's a new update, you'll be able to do that wirelessly through the Wi-Fi. The next awesome feature that TVBox has as well is to be able to search the browser, and you'll be able to install apps through the browser. We're gonna do more videos of that later on, so stay tuned in the channel, and we're gonna go ahead and show you how to install Popcorn Time and even Mob Bro, where you can watch different TV shows live. You can basically get rid of your cable, and this is all you need. The pricing on this is pretty cheap as well compared to the other boxes that you can buy out there. So for example, this is more functional than the Fire Stick TV, but this is more functional as well than an Apple TV. So if you're buying an Apple TV, it would cost you around 200 bucks. It would cost you basically 1/8 of the price if you get this, and you'll have a lot more features than the Apple TV if you have an Android box. This box is pretty much cost saving, so you can get rid of your cable, you can get rid of subscriptions for movies and TV shows such as Netflix, Crave, because you'll be able to get that all for free with this box. There's a secret feature right now that we're gonna show you, and which is the XGODY built in to this Android box. So here we go. So if you look at the remote, there's a button that's called KD. Go ahead and click that and XGODY will show up just like that. Now, if you want to learn what XGODY is, there's a lot of videos on YouTube, so go ahead and check that out. But basically the summary and the quickest way to explain what XGODY is another platform, another app that provides you more options on adding movies, add-ons, TV shows, music, and all that you could think of, different apps as well. So if you want to explore that, go ahead and check out YouTube. There's a lot of videos about XGODY and how to add add-ons and how to add different free apps on it as well. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to inform you the best I can on this Android box T95. Basically, I like this TV box. I recommend it for everyone to buy one. I love how cost effective this is. It's a one-time payment and it unlocks a lot of things, and you'll be able to have free movies, free TV shows, free apps, and all of the above that you can do on your Android phone. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to get one yourself, I'll link this down in the description below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you can be notified of the next videos to come, that is unboxing and also tips and tricks on this Android box and your phone and your Android phone. If you want to help me out, go ahead and hit that like button so that we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Comment below if you're gonna get one yourself, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Peace. Stay tuned for more if you want to learn how to install Popcorn Time and Mob Draw on the next videos to come. Peace.